Check this out. No thunder, just lightning in this one cloud. Latest flashes of light in this cloud. What the hell is going on? See that? Like, that's wild looking. What's going on? Let me try and zoom out a little bit. Look, it looks like it's just a shelf of clouds, right? There's no thunder whatsoever. Just lightning. Heat lightning, maybe. I mean, it's pretty humid out, but it's been humid out for days, and it's been raining off and on for days. It's just crazy. You're not hearing no thunder. There's no rain. I mean, yeah, there's clouds that rolled in, I guess, you know, but just to see a single cloud, lightning, or whatever, I can't get onto it. Hold on. Alright, there it is. Sorry, I had to get around these trees. So, yeah, that's pretty wild looking. Check that out. That whole thing's lit up. I mean, I'm not saying anything is crazy. It's pretty cool to see just a single cloud have lightning in it like that. I've never seen anything like that. Usually you see a storm, but like that's some pretty intense lightning or whatever, and just that one cloud. Look at that. There's no thunder whatsoever. I mean, what you guys hear is what you hear. I just see a bunch of lightning. And you know what I've noticed? We've been having a lot of lightning storms and not much thunder, or we've been having, like, it sounds like just continuous thunder and no lightning. One or the other. This is wild. I'm trying to stay on it just in case something wild happens, or I don't know. You never know. I just never seen that like that before. Like, what's going on? Saturday just playing around. Like, look, there's the moon. So the moon's out. So, and then you got this going on over here, and it's just this one cloud. Like, it's not going on anywhere else in the sky. Just this one cloud. This is a long video, sorry, but I'm trying to stay on it, see what happens. Just if anything happens. I don't know. That's cool as shit looking. Check that out. Yeah, well, let me try and zoom in a little bit. Check that out. You guys see anything strange in there? I mean, I don't really see anything strange, but